Tryna hide nothing. Every day I do is live.
It's your boy Ray, and we back at it with another banger. Hey, guys, y'all should already know. We here, we about to get kind of side of fries, chat. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the video though.
Talking, but I heard what y'all said. Got all these tears out on phone, but they ain't never shed. They said they went through hell and back when we was living.
Y'all already should know. We got the can of side of fries right here, and she told me this is muchacha.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. Hey, chat. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the video though. Hey, chat, y'all should already know. We got the can of side of fries, chat. And I got the drink right here. And we finna pour the sauce in first, you feel me? Not too much, you feel me? Finna pour this one too. I don't know. Alright, that should be all it. Feel me? We're gonna give it a little. Feel me? Oh shit, chat. This shit look good, I ain't gonna lie. It's called a cut inside of fries, chat. If I'm saying it right. Alright, chat. Chat! Chat! This right here is a whole nother level of goodness. Goodness, chat, y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Alright. Let's keep eating, chat. Well, let me keep eating. Oh man, this shit good.
I need affection. Driving my space. Get out my space. Get out my face. I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far.
Chat, this is a 10 out of 10, chat. This is a 10 out of 10, chat.
I can't believe I made it this far.
Chat, this is good, yo. I just don't understand. Man, Mexican food really is good, chat. Mexican food is really good, chat. Dang. Man.
I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far.
Chat.
We made it this far.
This is fucking good, yo. This is.
I can't believe I made it this far.
$14 too, chat. So look at it, chat. Look at it, chat. Look at it, chat. Chat, should I finish this? Chat, should I finish this? Cause I'm getting a little full. Hey chat, I appreciate y'all for watching the video, chat. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, chat. Peace.
Tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Let the real speak, let the fake get gone. Let the fake go home, let those niggas gone. Keep my ass on, I've been on my own.